Hi everyone, my name is Sanel. You might recognize me from some of our build videos or as the guy who's been answering your support tickets in the past. I've also worked on assembling and designing some of the builds you've seen here, and also served as a technical marketing advisor. Today though, I'm here to talk about something incredibly important: our support and RMA services. Recently, I've joined forces with the support and RMA team because, quite frankly, we know we have a lot of work to do to get back to the level of service IKEA has been known for the last decade. And I want to assure you, we are treating this as top priority. We've pulled team members from other departments to help us tackle this head-on. Right now, the team is working overtime to resolve more than 4,000 open tickets. It's a monumental task, but we are committed to addressing every issue and providing the level of support you deserve. So how did we get here? Well, as you probably know, IKEA has been navigating some rough waters lately. We optimized our storage and logistics systems, but this came with its own set of challenges. Additionally, we transitioned to a new ticketing platform, which unfortunately hasn't been as smooth as we hoped for. We also discovered technical issues with our system that caused incorrect stock levels and shipping dates to be displayed on our online store. These problems stem from challenges with warehouse integration and optimization. The good news is that accurate stock levels should be available by mid-January. We are asking for your understanding as we work through this. To help us resolve tickets as quickly as possible, we kindly ask that if you already have an open ticket, please avoid creating duplicate tickets. Every duplicate slows the process for everyone. Some of you have been experiencing delays of up to 3 months or more, and for that, we deeply apologize. If you'd prefer to cancel your order, we completely understand. Refund requests will be processed, and we aim to resolve this by the second half of January. I want to thank you all for your patience and cooperation during this time. Our team is working tirelessly to get things back on track, and your support means the world to us. Remember, avoiding unnecessary new tickets will help us sort through the current backlog faster. We are committed to solving these issues and earning back the trust you placed in IKEA. Thank you again, and we'll keep you updated as we make progress. Until then, take care and happy building!